so I can take pictures of you and hang them in my room. So when I wake up, feel like everything's alright. You are still here, you are still happy, you are still smiling and laughing. You are still the only thing and everything I need in my life. And it goes in, out through the mouth. Breathing exercises I will never figure out till I am running in circles, or walking in circles, or crawling in circles, or lying on the ground. And I can hear your dog whistle from my bedroom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I can see a flashlight cutting up the trees behind my house. Yeah, 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 yeah. And she says a lot of the kids we graduated with are now homeless, or listening in mad shady situations with mad shady people, if not every day, then on an every other day basis. Then she's probably talking with a few of them right now, and they're probably just drinking and talking about she misses getting fucked up and hanging around. And he says, hey, you're good at that, and she says, thanks, it's kind of all I've got. And then she looks away and says, it's also all I need. And I can smell plastic burning, I can smell chemicals breaking down. And I got your last 3 emails, the ones where you said I was sorting some things out. And he will be able to hear her dog whistle from his bedroom. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I can see a flashlight cutting up the trees behind my house. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I will read the flashing like a Morse code explanation. It will mean nothing and take all night to figure out. When I am sad, but when I'm happy, oh God, I'm happy. There's just no place in between for us to meet. When I am sad, but when I'm happy, fuck off, I'm happy. There's just no place in between for us to meet.